everybody, this is Chris. I want to try something a bit different with this video. I want to run through some IELTS questions and answers because I know that a lot of people are preparing for the IELTS test or may need to take this test in the future. And to see somebody else answering the questions could be helpful for you. And even if you're not preparing for the IELTS test, this video could also help you to improve your English listening, speaking, or even pronunciation. So I hope you like it. All right, let's answer some questions. Do you work or are you a student? I'm not a student anymore. I've graduated already. I used to study full-time, but I've graduated for a number of years now. What is your major and what did you study? I used to study Chinese. I studied a full-time degree in Chinese studies, but that was a while ago now. As I said, I've graduated and I'm now working full-time. What do you find most interesting about your studies? One of the most interesting things about my degree was to learn about a different culture and also to learn a language. I was learning a completely new language from scratch. I hadn't learned Chinese before, and it was a really big challenge to try and cope with learning all of the Chinese characters. And at the same time, we also had to learn about Chinese history, philosophy, and culture. So there was a lot to take in a short space of time. Why did you choose this major? I chose my major because I wanted to learn a new language. I think that I have a certain level of skill in foreign languages, and I wanted to take this talent further. I wanted to study a language that I hadn't studied before, that would be difficult to study on my own without a regimented study program. And I wanted to learn about a different culture. I wanted to travel the world, so that's why I chose it. Is the major the same as your expectations? Actually, it was a little bit different because I wasn't used to the workload. We had to read so many books at the same time and we had to complete a lot of assignments. It was very difficult at the beginning to learn all of those Chinese characters, as I said, and that was some of the challenges that I faced. It was very difficult at the beginning to keep up with everybody. Which is more important to you, the teachers or the other students on your course? I think for me, the teachers are the most important aspect because some teachers are better at teaching their subject than others. Some people may be good students, but they're not good at teaching that knowledge to other people. So I think the quality of the teaching is more important than the other people on the course. Do you like your major? Do you like your subject? Yes, I really enjoyed my subject at university. It was really fulfilling to study that subject. I learned a lot and I've applied a lot of that knowledge in my future career and my work outside university. So yes. Do you think you will continue to study the same major or subjects? Yes, I do think I will continue to study this subject because I like to be a lifelong learner. I'm always trying to learn new things, and I don't think that your studies stop when you graduate. You should always try to improve yourself. Are you looking forward to working? What job would you like to do in the future? I think that as much as I did like studying at university, I was really looking forward to working and getting into the world of work. I think it's very important to be able to contribute what you've learnt and to try to improve yourself in a professional sense. So yes, I would really like to start working. I wouldn't like to be a student forever. Okay, so those are some of our IELTS questions about your studies that you might get asked in part 1. Let me know what you think of this video. I'm going to put the full text on my website for people to read as well. And please subscribe to my channel if you want more English learning videos. That's all for today, and thanks for watching, everybody. I look forward to reading your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.